This is email automation with using only 5 lines of Python code in this session. Okay, for that, in order to do that, all we need is a Gmail account with username and password and PyCharm installed on your machine. If you haven't installed Python, please do install Python and have a Gmail account in order to run the program. So for us to run this program, all we need to do is import some libraries. Import a library called smtp library. I will tell you what is SMT library. Lib is library. SMTP is Secure Mail Transfer Protocol library. From this library, import SMT library. Okay. In the second line, what we write is, so we have imported the SMT library. Let us define a variable called server. So this server will have the port details from the SMT library. So what we'll have is, it will have SMT library. From this library, we will have SMTP class. From this class, what we need is some port details. So the port details will be again smtp dot, because we are going to use gmail.com, right, comma, we need to give the port details. The port number is 587. 587 is the port number for Gmail. So we have given the server, so we need to initiate the server. So we need to server dot, so we need to start the trusted, this is start trusted link service is something we need to do it here in order for us to connect the server. So these are all three lines of codes. We are left with only 2 lines of codes. In these 2 lines of codes, what we have to do, give is sender details and the receiver details. That's it. That's what we need to do. Again, we give the server variable and then login details. The login details for this one is your Gmail details, Gmail username and Gmail password. So I give a test username for test purposes, which is my username is pytestpy8. You give your username at gmail.com, I give the password. This is a temporary password. I'm going to change it. So that is my password. So you have given the login details, and then again you need to give the send mail details. So the send mail details, what I'm going to do, I'm going to send to the same person. So I'm going to give a sender details who I'm going to send from. This is from details, comma, and to also I'm going to give. So from this user email to this email, I want to send an email. So what I'm going to send, what I'm going to put in the subject is, this is hello subject, let's say subject, and what is the main part of the email, this is like main part. Okay, so this is what we need to do. So we can run this in 5 lines of code. So we need a confirmation whether the email is sent or not. For that, what I'm going to do is print, I say email sent. That's it. I'm going to run this using the right click. Again, I can use run file in Python console. So I run using Python console, and we have a confirmation email saying that email is sent. So let us see whether our email is sent or not. So let's open Google Chrome, or not that one. So let's open a Gmail and see whether we have received an email or not. There you go. Our no subject, hello subject, and hello sub is the main line what we have received from this to this. So this is how it works. If you wanted to send something else, you can do that using You can change the subject. So I'll take this part away and I'll put test 2 and then run it and see whether test 2 email was sent or not. Inbox, we have new email, it seems. So there you go, subs test 2. So this is how you automate sending your email. But keep in mind, if you have to receive this email, you need to do only one more thing here before doing this. So I'll show you what you need to do. You need to go to your manage Google accounts and then go all the way down where you see manage your data and protection. Now you need to go to security. In the security, go all the way down and then this should be turned on. Normally this should be turned off and you need to turn it on. So this is what you need to do. That's it. This email been sent. So this is how you automate using Python with 5 lines of code. Thank you.